Clay Stilly?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Your case number is 26 CR 01943. On January the 30th, sir, you were charged with 3 crimes: obstructing and resisting a police officer by flight, possession of drug paraphernalia, and petty larceny. Did you understand the charges, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And based upon the totality of the circumstances, I found that there was probable cause to hold you, and I set your bail at $1,000 bondable. Do either of the lawyers wish to make a statement relative to the bail amount?
Thank you, Your Honor. I would request that the bail remain at the $1,000. In the pretrial assessment report, we learned the defendant has a history of nuisance arrest and failing to handle court matters. He was last released from custody on January 12th. As far as his history, and this is limited to what I have, his history with our court, looks like we last saw him in 2018, but again, I'm based on what's in the assessment report, he's been in and out of jail. As far as what's alleged in the probable cause statement, it is alleged that Mr. Stilly took $293 worth of merchandise from Staples, Your Honor, that he, when attempted contact, Mr. Stilly ran from officers. He was completely uncooperative with the officer that was involved. He took a fighting stance. This was very dangerous for the officer, as he indicated in the probable cause statement, because he was by himself and had no backup at the moment. As far as the facts in support of the paraphernalia charge, it is alleged that multiple syringes were found on his person and that there were signs on his body of meth intravenous use. Your Honor, based upon this history of not showing up to court as related in the probable cause in the assessment report, what's alleged in this case, Mr. Stilly poses a risk to our community as well as himself, so the $1,000 bondable is appropriate. If he's able to bail out, Your Honor, I would ask that he be required to stay away from the business and that he be required to subject himself to enhanced supervision. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Fuentes, please.
Your Honor, he doesn't have the means to post the $1,000 interim bail. He's hoping that you will consider an owner cognizance release. He's going through a rough patch with the drug problem. If he got out, he would probably reside at the shelter and would be...
Actually, if I'm sober, which I will be, I can stay at my dad's house.
Okay. And I know he's somewhat estranged from his parents, but if he stays clean, he's welcome back. And of course, he'd be willing to comply with testing, which I think would keep him on the straight and narrow. So we're asking for a known recognizance release.
Thank you. Mr. Stilly, is your father Tom?
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Well, let the lawyers reflect that I know his father, who's a pretty noted landscape person in the community. Do either of you have any objection to me proceeding, even though, and I haven't had any contact with Mr. Stilly in a number of years, but I do know his father.
No objection, Your Honor.
We're fine, Judge.
Thank you. So, Mr. Stilly, in this situation, the fact that you challenged the police officer, the other thing that you and I both know is that you didn't take that stuff from Staples so you could set up a home office. Usually it's to sell for drugs. And that causes me a great deal of concern. I'm going to keep your bail at $1,000 because I think I'm doing you a favor that you'll get a chance to dry out a bit, and so we can put you in some kind of a drug treatment program as a condition of any sentence. You may want to consider that. In the meantime, because you took a fighting stance against the police officer, that's the position that I have. Bail will remain in effect at $1,000. Okay? All right, that'll be my order.
Your Honor, did you order a stay away order at all?
I will order that he stay away from the Staples located, I think it's on Plum Lane, and also that he be placed on supervision if he is able to bail. That supervision would be enhanced supervision with drug testing, and I would order that drug testing happen at least 2 days a week. I did authorize representation by the legal defender in his matter. Is there anything further relative to Mr. Stilly?
No,
No, no.